Okay, this is Luna sailing in a good fresh breeze from the northwest on September 6, 2009. We came to Caladesi Island. Now we are in the Gulf. That on the back is Honeymoon Island. Caladesi Island. The wind is blowing about probably 15 knots. We have 3 turns on our Genoa, full main, moving pretty quick, always above 4 knots. Excellent sailing conditions. It's nice to have a boat that is large enough to handle this kind of winds with relatively good ease and without feeling overpowered. So I'm gonna have to tack here to enter into the channel. So that's my wife Cecilia, and my kids are sleeping inside. Another advantage of this beautiful boat.